Good day to each and everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be reading the following sentences and select the appropriate number that corresponds to my answer. So first, award is something that is conferred or bestowed, especially on the basis of favoritism. My answer is 3. I'm somewhat neutral. Some awards might have an element of favoritism, and on the other hand, it can be as a recognition given to an individual who worked hard to achieve rewards. Next is the current incentives are sufficient to support the awardees financially. My answer is 2. I'm somewhat agree because some support is provided and it might not be enough for all the awardees' needs. Third is manlilikan ng bayan shall mean a citizen engaged in any traditional art, uniquely Filipino whose distinctive skills have reached such a high level of technical and artistic excellence. My answer is 1. I strongly agree. This definition accurately captures the essence of the awardee. Fourth sentence is the standard of qualification set forth by the government is meant to encourage the would-be awardees. My answer is 4. I'm somewhat disagree. Standards might be too high or too narrow, discouraging some potential awardees. And lastly, the government has provided adequate support to the awardees of the said program. My answer is 3, and I'm somewhat neutral. That will be all. Thank you for watching.